In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly get the WooCommerce Product ID, an essential detail that helps you manage, customize, and automate your online store more efficiently. WooCommerce assigns a unique ID to every product you create, and knowing where to find it can save you a lot of time when setting up integrations, promotions, or advanced settings. To get started, log into your WordPress dashboard with admin access so you can open the product section. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side and click on Products, then select all products. This will bring you to a complete list of every item currently in your store. This page is your main control center where you can edit, sort, filter, and manage all your WooCommerce products. Now here's the simple trick to finding the product ID. Hover your mouse over any product name in the list. As soon as you hover, a set of small links and details will appear right beneath the product title. In that short line of information, you'll see the text ID followed by a number. That number is the product ID. Each product has its own unique ID, and WooCommerce displays it only when you hover, keeping your product table clean and clutter-free while still making the ID easy to access whenever you need it. This ID is extremely helpful in tasks like setting up automation inside tools like Zapier or N8N, creating custom code snippets, configuring ads or tracking pixels, or applying specific SEO settings. It's one of those small details that can make your workflow smoother and much more efficient once you know where to find it. And that's it, a quick and simple way to locate the WooCommerce product ID in just seconds. If this guide helped you, feel free to subscribe for more 2025 tutorials on WooCommerce, WordPress, and online store optimization.